Advani's residence today, where the opposition will finalize a strategy to take on the government. The issue of price rise will be discussed at this meeting.
दो विषयों पर संसद में चर्चा हुई है, काफी हुई है, अनेक बार हुई है। महंगाई पर हुई है और एक बार तो महंगाई पर सरकार ने भी कहा कि हम भी सहमत हैं और हम आपको वचन देना चाहते हैं कि हम इस मामले में एक्टिव होकर के और रोकेंगे। सामूहिक रूप से क्यों न प्रस्ताव पारित करें।
On the issue of fuel price, our basic demand is that they should reverse the deregulation of fuel prices. We think that having hiked it 13 times, in the end, just now, to have rolled back a paltry 2 rupees 20 paise is no solution to the problem. The government tries to show as if it is caring for the people, and that when the international prices declined a bit, they have brought it down. This is an argument which tomorrow they can use by saying that now the prices in the international market have gone up, so we are hiking it again. We want it to be regulated.
Let's go across to Aishwarya Kapoor, who's joining us now. Aishwarya, a big NDA meet today to finalize a final strategy before the winter session.
Yes, the NDA meet is all set to happen at Lal Krishna Advani's residence somewhere around in the evening today. And in this meeting, the priority is going to be the price rise issue. We have already heard Lal Krishna Advani making it very clear that how serious BJP is. But on the other hand, the left parties are all set to take out the adjournment motion against this Congress government. And now BJP has to decide whether it will shake hands with the left, because it has certain ideological differences with the left. But then this issue of price rise is such that it pertains to a common man's life, and that is why in this NDA meet price rise will be a very important issue, because BJP will only take a decision when collectively with all NDA partners. We saw very important NDA leaders yesterday in Lal Krishna Advani's rally as well. Along with this issue of price rise, there are other issues of corruption, 2G, black money, cash for vote scam. We heard Lal Krishna Advani and all the BJP top brass taking very serious and strong comments on this issue, and rather taking on the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh itself. So that is how serious the issue is. And today in this meet, BJP will try and chalk out and rather corner the Congress government in this winter session, which is starting from tomorrow. The BJP has made it very clear that it will take on the Prime Minister on this issue. But then again, this cash for vote scam, and then in this black money issue, Lal Krishna Advani made it very clear that complete NDA will give a written confirmation that no MP has no illegal overseas funds or property. So that is how serious it is, and the whole strategy will be chalked out today evening. Back to you.
Right. All right.